He thought he was just running for his life. He had no idea what was coming.
How to make slapstick cartoon animation videos like this 100% using free AI tools. First, check out this channel which has 4.9 million subscribers. Its popular shorts video has gotten 10 million views and its popular long form video has gotten 210 million views and another video has 110 million views and there are many more videos with millions of views. And according to Social Blade, this channel is earning anywhere from $11,000 to $176,000 per month. And per year anywhere from $62,000 to $989,000 per month. And in this video, every step is explained step by step. So don't skip any step. If you skip one, you won't be able to make the video. So let's start the video. You will find the master prompt link in the description/comment box. Copy it from there. Then go to Claude AI. Paste the prompt you copied. Click generate and after waiting a bit, Claude will generate 10 viral topics for you. Now out of these 10 topics, pick 3 that you like, type those 3 in and click generate. Type in whichever topics you like. Now Claude has generated all our image and video prompts. After that, copy the first image prompt. Go to Flow AI. First, select image. Second, select the 9:16 ratio. Third, select 1:, then select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt. In 3 to 4 minutes, your image will be generated. Similarly, copy the next image prompt from Claude AI, paste it into Flow AI 2 and tap generate. After a little while, your second image will also be ready. It looks completely realistic and the quality is great too. Then generate the prompt for the third image as well. Whichever image is left, generate that one too. Because if I show every single image being generated, the video will get too long. So all our images are ready now. Now to generate the video, go to Claude AI, copy the first video prompt and paste it into Flow AI. After that, click on Nano Banana 2. First, select video. Don't change anything else, click generate. After a little while, your video will be ready. So the video has been generated in really high quality. Now similarly, copy the next video prompt from Claude AI and paste that into Flow AI 2 and tap generate. In 2 to 3 minutes, your video will be ready. Let me show you one more video being generated so you don't have any trouble generating videos. So again, go to Claude AI, copy the third video prompt, paste that in as well and tap generate. In 3 to 4 minutes, the video will be generated and whichever video is left to generate, I'll generate that quickly too. So now all our videos have been generated. Let's see how it turned out. So
He thought he was just running for his life. He had no idea what was coming.
Blast off into total chaos. Nobody saw this flight plan coming. Someone's about to crash the world's worst water party. Splash! Direct hit! It's officially an all-out desert water war now. Level maximum. Smash that follow for more desert disaster madness.
So that's all for today's video. And if you haven't watched how to make an education AI channel yet, you can click and check that out.